Traffic surveyors in Greater Noida play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth flow of traffic in the region. With the rapid urbanization and increasing number of vehicles on the roads, it has become essential to have professionals who can analyze and manage the traffic effectively. These surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on traffic patterns, volume, and congestion in different areas of Greater Noida. By studying this data, they can identify areas that require improvements in terms of road infrastructure or traffic management systems. The information gathered by traffic surveyors is used by local authorities and urban planners to make informed decisions regarding road development and traffic management strategies. One of the key aspects of traffic management in Greater Noida is the design of scones. Scones, also known as traffic cones, are used to guide and redirect traffic in a safe and efficient manner. The design of scones is crucial to ensure their visibility and effectiveness on the roads. Traffic surveyors in Greater Noida work closely with engineers and designers to develop scones that meet the specific requirements of the region. These scones are designed to be highly visible even in low light conditions, and they are made from durable materials that can withstand the impact of vehicles. The role of traffic surveyors in Greater Noida goes beyond just data collection and scone design. They also play a crucial role in analyzing the collected data and providing recommendations for traffic management improvements. By studying the traffic patterns and congestion points, these professionals can suggest solutions such as signal timing adjustments, road widening, or implementing new traffic management systems. Their expertise helps in optimizing the existing road infrastructure and reducing traffic congestion, leading to smoother and safer travel for commuters. In Greater Noida, traffic surveyors are essential to maintaining a smooth flow of traffic. Due to the fast urbanization and rising number of vehicles on the roads, it is now crucial to have experts who can efficiently assess and control traffic. These surveyors are in charge of performing surveys to compile information on the volume, frequency, and congestion of traffic in various parts of Greater Noida. They can find locations that need changes in terms of road infrastructure or traffic management systems by analyzing this data. Local government agencies and urban planners use the data collected by traffic surveyors to guide their judgments on new road construction and traffic management plans. One of the most important components of traffic control in Greater Noida is traffic surveyors in Greater Noida often collaborate with other professionals such as urban planners, civil engineers, and law enforcement agencies to implement their recommendations effectively. They work together to develop comprehensive traffic management plans that address the specific needs of the region. These plans include strategies for managing peak-hour traffic, improving pedestrian safety, and integrating public transportation systems. By working together,